everybody, and welcome back to the Cashmere Hair YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I use my one-piece volumizer and Rodeo Dries Blonde in order to get, of course, extra volume, but extra length and also a super texturized and easy beachy wave. So as you can see here, I'm parting my hair just right above the ear. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to give myself just a little top knot, and just so that I can get my hair out of the way. And from there, what I'm going to do is pop that volumizer in. And for me, I love how simple and easy it is. It comes with 6 different clips, and all you have to do is apply it just not on the part line, which is really important. That way your volumizer stays in place all day, but also is more gentle on the hair. We don't want to pull on the root whenever possible. So as you can see, here's the one-piece volumizer, and those are the 6 clips I was talking about. And what I'm going to do is I like to unclip them beforehand, totally up to you. Some people like to start with one. For me, I like to kind of get it all ready to go because in this video, I did not have a mirror in back of me so that I could see what was going on, but I was able to feel my way around. So as you can see, I am just clipping those in right now. And I start with the top clips and then I work my way down to the bottom afterwards. And I usually start on the right side and move over to the left. And as you can see, I'm just clipping these in right here. But also what I love about the one-piece volumizer is that it is the easiest extension to apply. All cashmere hair extensions are, but especially this one-piece volumizer. And as you can see, it already added length and more volume to the lower half of my hair. And now that I take it down, you can really see how much more that it adds to it. So I also tend to do a little bit of our golden blonde in the front of my hair. So I use our